How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the Boolean in part design in FreeCAD. Now, basically, we are inside the part design, and in this case, I'll just create a body, create a sketch, and of course, you can select your plane. Now, I'll make this very quick and simple. Basically, I'll just make a square right here, and then click close, and then we'll use the path option to simply make a square. Click on OK, and then let's create another one, create sketch, and then this time I'm going to place a cylinder shape right beside the square itself. So it's going to be something like this one. Of course, you can edit this the way you want to. Now from here, let's click the padding tool once more, and then I'm going to transform this into something like 20 millimeters. And basically from there, you can right click on the body 001 or the second shape. And then of course, let's click transform, and then let's collide both of our shape or path right here. Click OK. And basically, since I want to make this first body a Boolean, I'll click on the first body, which is going to be the square itself. Right click on it and click on active body. From here, it's going to be really simple. Just click on the first body, making sure that it is selected, and then you want to click on the Boolean function. Click add body, and then you want to select your second body right here, which will then basically use the Boolean function. So we have multiple options in the Boolean function. We have fused, we have the ability to cut into it, and lastly, we have common, which will then go ahead and fill that specific gap. So you can just choose your function, click on OK, and that's basically it. You have successfully used the Boolean in part design in FreeCAD. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.